In my last lecture, I discussed the disconnection of this molecule, and I told these two are similar. And the synthesis is condensation. This is aldol condensation. Aldol condensation of 2 moles of this molecule gives our target molecule. So, in my last lecture, I discussed Diels-Alder reaction, 1,3-difunctionalized compound. And in this lecture, we shall see 3 things. Retrosynthesis of unsaturated carbonyl compound, Michael addition, and Robinson annulation. First, we shall see retrosynthesis of unsaturated carbonyl compounds. You know that unsaturated means it is a double bond or triple bond. Here we are taking a double bond, and there is an aldehyde here. For the aldehyde, this double bond is alpha beta unsaturated. So this is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. You know that in one group CC disconnection, also I told if alkene is there means we'll do the functional group interconversion by adding water to it. We get alcohol. By doing functional group interconversion, we get alcohol. Once we get alcohol means it is easy to do a disconnection. We know we have done many alcohol disconnection. So the disconnection will be here. It is a CC disconnection. Why it is 1,3 means they named it reverse here actually, but actually they have to name here. Where we are breaking, there we have to name 1, 1, 2. This is 1,2 disconnection. So after disconnection, we got 2 things here. This is negative charge over here, and this is positive charge over here. So you know that secondary carbocation, this will be primary carbocation and primary alcohol, and for this is synthetic equivalent is aldehyde, and for this also aldehyde. Again, if you compare these 2 things, look at these are exactly the same molecule. Synthesis, 2 molecules of aldehyde undergoes aldol condensation to give target molecule. So this is retrosynthesis of unsaturated carbonyl compound. We'll see one more example. Again, if you see at this molecule, it is the alpha beta unsaturated carbon. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, these are the product of aldol condensation. In the excess of base, aldol condensation will give a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So you know that we'll do, if alkene is there, we'll do a functional group interconversion, we'll get alcohol. If you disconnected here means positive charge will be there next to the alcohol group. So this means we'll get a ketone. This will be ketone. We'll get 2 molecules of ketone. That is our synthetic equivalent. And then synthesis is easy. It is 2 molecules of ketone molecule will undergo acid catalyzed aldol condensation. You may do the base catalyzed aldol condensation also, no problem at all. But here in the book they used acid catalyzed aldol condensation to get target molecule. So this is about the unsaturated carbonyl compound. Next we shall see a Michael addition. Michael addition. Before going for the retrosynthesis, we shall understand what is this Michael addition. There will be 2 types of nucleophilic addition. I will write those things. One is this, and another one is, I wrote 2 electrophiles, 2 ketones here. First one is simple ketone, and the second one is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So if you add a base here, if you add a nucleophile OH minus, if you add here, it will add to the this. So this is position number 1, position number 2. This is called as 1-2 addition. This is called as 1-2 addition. For the same thing, if you add a base, I will take OH minus only here. If you add here, instead of going here, the base will be added here. So it is a position number 1, position number 2, position number 3, and position number 4. This is called as 1-4 addition. The nucleophile will be added here 1-2 position. The nucleophile will be added here 1-4 fashion. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1-4 fashion. This will be shifted here. This will be shifted here. So this is called as 1-4 fashion, and this is 1-2 fashion. This 1-4 fashion, there is a name for that. That is Michael addition. The simple addition is 1-2 addition. This 1-4 addition, this is also called as 1-4 addition. This 1-4 addition is called as Michael addition. This we'll use in our retrosynthesis. We'll do the retrosynthesis of this molecule. If we disconnect here, we'll get a positive charge over here and negative charge over here. Positive charge means it will utilize hydrogen of this one, and there is a formation of double bond. So for the first part, synthetic equivalent is this one, and for the second part, synthetic equivalent is this one. Next, we shall see a synthesis. You already know negative charge here, ketone. Negative charge next to the ketone means this is the synthetic equivalent. You know that already. It will take this synthetic equivalent. We'll add a base. Base, you know the role of base. It will abstract hydrogen from the more crowded group. Not here. It will abstract hydrogen here, and then it will undergo 1-4 addition. 1-4 addition. It will go 1-4 addition. Not here. It will go 1-4 addition. This will be shifted here, and this will be shifted. You will get this molecule. And in this molecule, this carboxylic acid is extra. This ester is extra. You know that this ester will be removed by decarboxylation reaction. So this particular reagent makes sure that this carboxylic acid will be removed. You will get your target molecule. So this is about Michael addition. Next thing is Robinson annulation. We shall understand what is this Robinson. This is one name reaction actually. What is Robinson annulation means? This is aldol. If in any reaction, aldol condensation takes place, and followed by that, Michael addition takes place, means that is called as Robinson annulation. So it is a name reaction. There will be aldol condensation, right? So in addition to that aldol condensation, if there is a Robinson annulation, if there is a 1-4 addition, such reaction is called as Robinson annulation. This you will understand through an example. Again, I will define what is Robinson annulation. If any reaction having a aldol condensation, in addition to the aldol condensation, if there is a 1-4 addition or Michael addition, that is called as Robinson annulation. We shall see that through an example. So this is the molecule we are taking for the retrosynthesis. You know that if there is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, means this will be synthesized from the aldol condensation. So we are disconnecting here. You are disconnecting means you'll get a 2 ketone molecule here. Right. Next, we are disconnecting here. We got a, if you disconnect here means there will be a negative charge here and there will be a positive charge here. Positive charge, you know that will be balanced by this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Next, we shall see the synthesis. This is aldol condensation. So what will happen here means this here, this base will abstract the hydrogen, and this it will attack here. This will be shifted here. This is a 1,4 addition. This is Michael addition. Michael addition. Next, if we do the Michael addition, we will get this molecule. We'll get this molecule. And if we get this molecule, look at here. After doing, we'll get this molecule, right? Excess of base will be there, and in the place of this molecule undergoes self-aldol condensation to give a target molecule. So the addition of excess base is just enough to react this molecule to give a target molecule. So you can observe two things here. One is Michael addition. Next is aldol condensation. It happens itself. So that is why in the book they are not mentioned separately. If you are adding this molecule and excess of base you are adding, means first I showed you Michael addition will be there, and then next aldol condensation will be there. So that results in the formation of this target molecule.